Hey y'all, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Y'all, we are in the kitchen. It is after Christmas and of course, I'm left with a complete mess. Y'all see what I'm working with? I don't even think I need to say anymore. Let's go ahead and dive right into the video, y'all. Y'all, it is Christmas night after all of the good eating, opening up presents, enjoying family. Now it's time to put all of the food away. Get everything disposed of that we don't have any more of. Get everything cleaned out. So yes, this is going to be a long video, and the majority of this video will be in the kitchen. So I hope that you're ready to just sit back, relax, and enjoy this long video because it's going to be a long one, y'all. And also, I hope that you had a Merry Christmas with you and your family. Everything was great. And I hope you're looking forward to a happy new year, a prosperous new year, a healthy new year. So all of that is definitely what I'm wishing for you. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Before we get into the video, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello, and my name is Taryn. And on my channel, you're going to find motivational cleaning, motivational laundry, home decor, and seasonal decor. I hope that if any of this interests you, you do decide to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. We would love to have you over here. And also, I would love to have you over on my Instagram account. So go ahead and follow me over there, Getting My Life Together 50. And if you do decide to subscribe to my channel, please don't hesitate by leaving me a comment, letting me know that you're new here so I can welcome you. Let's go ahead and get into the video, y'all.
Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it.
So yes, we had collard greens left over in this pot. Now the pot is way too big comparing how much greens are still left in this pot. So I'm going to go ahead and downsize them and put them in a container so that we'll put a lid on them, and hopefully they'll get eaten up pretty soon because we're not taking these over to the new year, y'all.
Baby, turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Same case with the macaroni and cheese, y'all. Apparently it was very good because this is all we have left. But Again, why is it in such a large container? Let's go ahead and get it downsized, y'all.
That fright, can you take it all night? Been walking round in circles, wondering where to start. This long overdue conversation, why we're falling apart. Awake, tossing and turning, one more endless fight. Since I heard you were talking to someone else last night, thank you for making it easy to leave. Thank you for letting me know how I feel. It's the heart that hurts the most, but I'm ready to let go. So now I thank you for making it easy to leave. I can hear myself breathing as I walk out the door, like a house caught on fire. There's no way back to before. Thank you for making it easy to leave. Thank you for letting me know how I feel. It's the heart that hurts the most, but I'm ready to let go. Maybe it's better for the both of us. It's just a sad way to end. I thought we were the exception, but there's no way to mend. So now I thank you for making it easy to Thank you for making it easy to.
So I did go ahead and remove this from the dishwasher, y'all, so I can go ahead and put the silverware in here. I normally put everything down, facing down, as far as like the spoons, but for some reason the forks seem to get stuck, so I have them facing up. Everything else is going to be face down.
Thank you for letting me know how I feel. Thank you for making it easy to leave. Thank you for letting me know how I feel. It's the heart that hurts the most, but I'm ready to let go. Thank you for making it easy to leave.
And I don't know about your family, but our family uses everything paper as far as what we eat out of. The only thing that we do not use paper is actually silverware. So we always run out of silverware. Let me know down in the comment section, do you run out of silverware as well? Especially around this time of the year, around the holidays. It just seems like it's so much silverware that needs to be washed.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making better You look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. 'Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. Oh, you don't know me, I'm a danger to myself. Oh, you don't know me, I am fading unfelt.
And let me know down in the comments, what are you doing? Are you cleaning along with me? Or are you sitting back, relaxing, getting the motivation for later? Just let me know. I'm a little curious to know if you're washing dishes with me as well, or cleaning or doing something around your home. If you're not doing anything, I do hope that you're getting enough motivation to go ahead and get up and get some things done around your home before the new year, because we want to make sure our homes are nice and clean so that we can just relax for the new year, and hopefully that'll start something new for 2022. What do you think?
I'm a danger to myself. Oh, you don't know me, I am fading unfelt. I am fading unfelt.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. 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 Let you taste like chocolate. Let you taste like chocolate. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out.
Hey, listen up, I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can see shit cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. I try to help you, but you keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate, we're not aligned. You say you listen, but guessing that's just another sign. Not growing up, you're growing old.
So we're going to go ahead and get the top of the stove all cleaned. But first, I have to give you an overview of what we're working with. And also there's going to be food on the back of the wall. I'm not sure if you can see that. I tried to zoom in. But yes, we're going to get all that cleaned.
Keep passing by. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. Now if you break it, I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. Rise up now. If you never fall,
with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map.
And y'all, the cocoa bar was definitely a hit this Christmas. And you will be seeing the cocoa bar again. I'm just not sure when, but you will be seeing it again pretty soon. So we're going to go ahead and get everything all cleared up here. So I'll have somewhere to put everything that I'm going to be pulling out of the refrigerator. So I have to get a spot open for that.
I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine.
The chocolate covered marshmallows were not a hit. It's about time, y'all, that I get into this refrigerator and get it all deep cleaned and organized. So I'm just going to give you an overview of what the refrigerator is looking like currently.
This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or
I do hope that you're enjoying the video. If you are, please don't leave without giving it a big thumbs up.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely?
So now that we have everything all emptied out of the fridge, y'all, I'm just showing you what it's looking like. One of those light bulbs are out. These are pretty bad, so I'm going to take those out and clean them. The bottom of the fridge, yes. And this bin definitely has to be cleaned out. And then here's the door.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
So y'all, here's a quick overview of what came out of the refrigerator, at least some of the things. I have another spot I'm going to show you. And here's some of the other things that came out of the refrigerator, along with some of the things that I took off the cocoa bar that I have to put away. Now it's time to check all the expiration dates and see what's expired so we can go ahead and get rid of it.
Backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feet? You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me.
So I have my dish pan here. I did fill it with some Dawn liquid soap and also some very, very warm water. So I can go ahead and get it all cleaned out.
Pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement that explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner.
Now you see me going back in and the cloth doesn't have any soap on it. It's just a wet cloth, so I can go ahead and get all that soap wiped out.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. We got something special. But you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? No, I can't let you go. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry.
The fridge is all cleaned out, y'all. I am so impressed with how clean it came. We'll see how long this lasts, y'all.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
So y'all, these are the containers I'm going to be using. All of these containers I already had, so nothing is new.
We are close, can you feel it? Something
Y'all, it is such a great feeling to go ahead and get this fridge decluttered and all organized. And also, I was able to see exactly what we need before we go to the grocery store because, you know, we're a family of 5. So therefore, we have a lot of food that we have to purchase, and we don't need things expiring because you're just wasting money that way.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
Okay, y'all, so it is time for us to tackle this mess. So actually, our garbage disposal started leaking, so all of this had to come from under the sink. I needed to organize it anyway, so it was pretty much perfect timing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this organized and make it look aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Because we do have a pantry, but it's in the laundry room, so I keep all of our laundry things out there. So we have to go through everything that's in the bins and see what we're going to keep and what we're not going to keep, what's expired and what isn't.
There's a warning that I'm throwing out, 'cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you. To mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know.
And I prefer to take everything out of the boxes, but I took the Pop-Tarts out of the boxes one time and my sister's like, we don't know what is what. So that's why I don't take the Pop-Tarts out of the boxes anymore. And also I did go ahead and throw away that one bin. That's because it was cracked. I probably should have gave y'all a close-up of that, but I'm sure you figured out that I just wasn't throwing it away for no reason. And I ended up not getting everything decluttered and organized up under the kitchen sink because the garbage disposal still has not been fixed. I thought it would be fixed by the time I got to it, but it's not. So we're going to have to wait till after the new year to go ahead and get that all decluttered. But let me know down in the comments, how many of you are actually trying to declutter, get rid of things, organize things before the new year?
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade.
So y'all, we're just going to use these Dollar Tree bins. I've had these for a while and it's 6 of them. And I think that 2 on each shelf will fit just perfect.
Making it harder, need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself.
Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
The video is nearing the end. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. This video was so long, y'all, so I do hope that you were able to stay here with me until the end. I definitely do appreciate each and every one of y'all. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. Like, comment, and share. I'll see y'all in the new year. Bye, y'all.